Every decade has one golden window, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to build wealth. Miss it, and you'll spend the next decade saying, "If only I had started back then." Well, guess what? That golden window is open right now, and it's called artificial intelligence. In the 2000s, the gold rush was the internet boom. In the 2010s, it was the rise of SaaS and the cloud. But in the 2020s, the game changer is AI, and those who act now will dominate the next decade. Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful AI business ideas you can start in 2025, no coding required. And I'll break down exactly how you can turn each one into real income. The first idea is AI-powered digital products. Digital products aren't new. We've had ebooks, guides, and workshops for decades. But now, AI can handle all your research and creation in minutes. Instead of spending weeks gathering data, tools like Deep Research AI can scan articles, surveys, and reports in seconds, helping you create polished ebooks, industry reports, or online courses faster than ever. You can sell them by partnering with creators and splitting profits, or by building your own audience on LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube and selling directly. The design matters too. If it looks bad, it won't sell. AI design tools like Gamma can create stunning presentations, landing pages, and covers instantly, even animating visuals with one click. The second idea is AI voice agents for businesses. Companies spend billions on customer support, often outsourcing to call centers. Imagine replacing that with an AI voice agent that can handle thousands of calls at once, never takes a break, and costs a fraction of a human employee. These agents can answer FAQs, process refunds, confirm appointments, and handle inbound queries at scale. Niche examples include dental clinics, real estate agencies, and SaaS customer support. You can build one easily using platforms like N8N or 11 Labs. Charge a setup fee plus a per minute or per call fee. It's cheaper for the client and highly profitable for you. The third idea is AI-powered personal branding. In 2025, founders with a strong personal brand will attract more clients, funding, and attention. Most don't have time to make content. You can solve that with AI by training a voice clone and AI avatar of the founder, using AI scriptwriters to produce posts and videos in their style, generating videos with tools like HeyGen, and adding captions with Submagic or Opus clips. Charge a setup fee for the training, and then a monthly package for video production. The founder gets consistent content with zero effort, and you run the process on autopilot. The fourth idea is AI-Generated UGC Ads. UGC ads, those casual unboxing or testimonial videos, often perform better than polished commercials. Traditionally, they cost $50 to $100 per video. With AI, you can create realistic UGC ads for under $5, complete with human-like voices, facial expressions, and brand-specific scripts. Sell them to e-commerce brands and keep the profit margin while helping them cut costs. The fifth idea is AI workflow optimization for companies. Every business has repetitive, expensive processes like customer onboarding, invoice generation, sales outreach, and employee training. Replace them with AI workflows using Make.com, N8N, or Google's new Opal tool. For example, instead of spending thousands on training workshops, you could build an AI tutor that guides employees step by step through company processes. You save the company money and charge a premium for building it. These 5 AI business ideas are not just theory. They're already being used by forward-thinking entrepreneurs. The only question is, are you going to watch this wave pass you by, or are you going to ride it? Start small, pick one idea, build it, sell it, and refine it. Because the people who act today will be the ones others are talking about in 2035. It's always one day or day one. So, which is it for you?